Even the team installing the country's fastest broadband sometimes needs a helping hand. And when it comes to upgrading your internet connection, you don't have to do any of the heavy lifting. I'm Tom Stoltman, the 3 times world's strongest man, and today I've joined the Highland Broadband install team for a day at work.
So this is a method we use for laying the cable in the grass, it's called a grass splice. The next process we use is trenching with the pickaxe. In areas like this, we'll do a small trench. It's not so deep that it's going to impact existing infrastructure. This is the first connection point between our network and the property. So we'll now bury ducting to get the network from here over to the property. When we're done, we leave the garden exactly as we found it. So at this point, we put a small box on the wall that connects the external fibre to the internal fibre. This is a distribution point. Ducts have been laid from here all the way to the property. At the property, we blow the fibre back through the ducts to get here at the distribution point. This then allows the customer to be connected directly to the Highland Broadband network. Finally, we help the customer get up and running and make sure that they have all their devices connected.
From local, friendly engineers to expert support, Highland Broadband goes the distance to keep you connected. Unleash lightning-fast performance with the fastest broadband in the UK. Switch without the stress today.